breast tenderloins are getting a little freezer burnt, so to use up some of this, yeah, they're a little crispy. I'm gonna marinate just a few of these. It's just two. That way we'll be able to marinate overnight. The main reason why I'm doing these marinades is because, so I bought broccoli to plant, and then Corey bought more broccoli, and they're getting a little ambitious, so I want to use these guys up before we have to throw them completely out. So, and I've been eating garlic on a lot of stuff, and it's getting to be a bit much. So, the garlic is sprouting, but you can still eat them, and I didn't know even like these guys are edible once you start growing them. Cut the top off, bottom. And it's not a whole lot that's even growing in there. It's strange. So, that's sitting up. All my cutting boards are dirty, so gonna cut these right in there. Maybe. Maybe not. Yeah, it's good enough. Orange juice. I bought way too many oranges and mandarin oranges and nectarines, so I'm getting a little overdone on the orange juice. So we're gonna use this to marinate. And then once this soaks in overnight too, I'm just gonna cook it in the orange juice and then throw that out. A little bit of salt, because everything needs salt. I've never tried marinating with dill weed, but we're gonna give this one a try. Get 2 good pinches of that. And some red pepper flakes. I know I've tried marinating with this stuff before, and it doesn't give a whole lot of heat because it just soaks all the juices in. Is there a leak in this? Yep, there is. So that Ziploc bag was leaking. But I just stuck it in a bowl. But I did this last night with another one too. This bag did not leak. So, get these on the stovetop. Hopefully they taste good. My chicken did get a little freezer burnt because it's kind of white. I don't even know if that's going to show up, but chicken is still chicken. It'll be fine. Don't mind the dirty stove because I haven't had time to clean it yet. Medium heat. Whoop. Garbage is gonna have to go out today too. Chicken always smells gross once it goes in the garbage, so get those in there. Medium heat, lid. And this one I had marinated last night and I hadn't put any dill in there, so I just sprinkled some on top. Orange juice does not seem to appreciate being sauteed. Got a little thick, but that's okay. Smells good. So looking back at the video, I said broccoli. It's not broccoli, it's garlic. Do you smell chicken? So I'm gonna have a lot of chicken for quite a few days after this, but that's okay because I need a lot of food that I don't have to cook before work. So there's a slight orange flavor to it, but it's good. It should be really good in salads. I think the orange juice gives it a faint, like, not Chinese restaurant flavor, but a smidgen of it. And the carbs really shouldn't be in there because most of the juice is still in the pan. There's like a faint coating on it. It's hardly anything at all. And the red peppers just give a little bit of flavor, and a lot of the flavor is the dill and the orange juice. So I still have a whole fruit bowl of oranges left. I might have this for breakfast though. This is good. You want to say hi? No, I don't think you'll like that. No, I don't. I'll see you next time.